A war is unfolding, one without borders, soldiers, or visible weapons. This war is fought in silence, a fight for your data. Every major power is part of it. The United States, China, Russia, Europe, each racing to control a new kind of intelligence. This is not the war of the future. It's the one already being fought. For decades, espionage relied on human agents, intercepted calls, and satellites in orbit. But now, the spyglass has changed hands. Artificial intelligence has turned surveillance into automation. Sensors, cameras, and data streams that see everything and forget nothing. AI can read a satellite image and identify troop movements in seconds. It can scan millions of social media posts, detecting dissent before it surfaces. Governments are training algorithms to predict human behavior itself. They'll soon know everything about you. In Beijing, AI systems track citizens through vast facial recognition grids. Every movement, every face, every step, remembered and analyzed. On the other side of the world, things are much the same. In Washington, predictive models monitor cyber threats and foreign communications. In Moscow, machine learning systems comb through hacked data to map influence networks. The new spies are not human. They're machines, trained to understand humanity better than we understand ourselves. Data is the ammunition. Every click, every message becomes intelligence that could be used against you. AI tools sift through oceans of information, searching for patterns that reveal a target's vulnerabilities, a diplomat's travel pattern, a general's social network, an engineer's online footprint. It's infiltration through prediction, knowing what you'll do before you do it. Information is power, and in this hidden war, power belongs not to the most armed, but to the most informed. As AI learns to see everything, the only real secret left is how much control we've already lost.